Today we're gonna make, what are we making?
Some baby shark pumpkins.
Baby shark pumpkins.
What does it?
Okay, those are for grown-ups. Okay, so in order to make the baby shark pumpkins, we're gonna paint the pumpkins. We've gotten 3 pumpkins. I think this one should probably be baby shark. What do you think, because it's small?
Because it's my pumpkin.
Are you gonna do baby shark?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do baby shark.
And I'm gonna do daddy shark.
Let's do this one for daddy shark.
Okay.
And this will be mommy shark. So we're gonna do baby shark, daddy shark, and mommy shark. And we went to Nickelodeon and they have some printouts, some stencils for the faces. You have 2 different stencils, one to paint white and one to paint the actual color. So we have one for baby shark, we have some for mommy shark, and these are for daddy shark. 2 different sets of stencils. So we're gonna need our stencils. We're gonna need our pumpkins, of course.
And we got these paints.
We got these paints. What color is daddy shark?
Blue.
Blue, so we've got blue for daddy shark. He also has a what mouth?
Red mouth.
A red mouth. And his eyes will be?
White and black.
White and black. And then baby shark, what color is baby shark? Yellow. So baby shark will need yellow, and baby shark will have a red mouth and also black and white eyes. And then we have our pink for mommy shark.
Okay, let's get started.
And we have our foam for the fins. We'll glue the fins on after we paint. So first we're gonna paint daddy shark blue and white. We're gonna paint baby shark yellow and white. And we're gonna paint mommy shark pink and white. And then we'll use our first set of stencils for the white eyes and mouth, and then the colors on top after it. So we're gonna have to have some patience and let it dry, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We also have a pack of paintbrushes.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one.
We have some paintbrushes to paint. We have some tape to tape our stencils on. We have a hot glue gun to glue the foam fins that we'll cut out on here. And we used an X-Acto knife to cut out the stencils.
And we're going to use top fins.
Okay, ready? What I want you to do is you can paint, I'll show you, just the top part blue and then the bottom part's gonna be white. You're gonna paint the top part yellow and then the bottom part will be white, okay? So we're gonna use this baggie here.
Ew, the blue paint.
The blue paint. Okay, use your paintbrush. Here, let me show you.
I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay,
I'll do that.
right there, and then put it right here.
Over here.
Let's do a line. Okay, just the top. So just don't go any further than there, okay?
Okay.
Just the top part. Good job. What do you think?
Good. I'm done.
You're done. You gotta get the whole pumpkin, the top of it. Here, let's see. Let me help you.
And get some polka dot.
No.
I'm done. Here you go.
Good job.
Painting. We paint all the orange off. Where are that cute you?
Good job.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Which one are you making? Daddy shark?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Phoebe, what about you?
Baby shark. Baby shark.
You gonna make a little polka dots?
Yeah.
We're gonna make these stencils smaller to where we can get them onto the pumpkins. We kind of have a little bit of small pumpkins. Okay, we're gonna take this on and you're gonna paint this part white, okay? Let's see, it's a little big, but...
It's actually for my part. For something else more.
This goes over like this, only that's where the color is gonna go, okay?
Go.
Right there at the circle. Let's see, this is Phoebe's pumpkin so far, her baby shark pumpkin. We have our eyes on, a little nose. It just needs a mouth and the fins, right?
Yeah. I got a phone I got a phone. She's looking at you.
This is looking at you. There's your little baby shark so far. And Teagan, yeah, keep it in the lines. Try to stay in the lines, okay?
I'm going to pick with the small one.
I'll try to fix it.
I'm playing with the small one. Baby shark, 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 baby shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, my shark, my shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. I'm going to go get the order before baby shark.
I'm Teagan.
Teagan got some gurgly from Poopy.
Okay, Daddy Shark just needs his...
Bang!
Let me see, do you have the fins?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Phoebe, what are you doing?
I really want He's trying to squish the fish and eat it.
Because sharks eat. Because sharks eat.
Fish!
Sharks eat fish. Baby shark's trying to eat a fish.
Some hot glue.
You use hot glue?
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you for watching GMC make baby shark pumpkin.